Right. Reacting to funny videos. Alright, let's get out my camera. Alright, let's get out the camera. Get out the camera. Wait. Alright, we're reacting to funny videos, okay? Again.
For Charlie, who likes Charlie, we like Charlie. Everybody loves some Charlie. Who got Charlie? Where's Charlie? There's Charlie. He got everything that you need. He likes to eat food and stuff. But Charlie, he's awesome. Here's the Charlie and Friends show. Do.
Charlie and Friends was filmed in front of a live audience.
Oh, hi guys. I'm Charlie. Don't cheer. We're in a library. We have to be quiet.
Go! That's it. Hey people, you're reacting to funny videos. Which is not true because today we're reacting to funny sounds part 2. Okay? Now before I start the sound video, subscribe and make sure to go subscribe to subscribe to the Mayor's birthday, guys. Okay, let's start the video, guys. What's up, YouTube? Today we're reacting to funny sound effects in these videos. Okay, so next one is 25 Mario So Long Bowser sound variations in 60 seconds. Okay, here. Loud sound.
So long, Bowser. So long, Bowser.
So long, Bowser. So long, Bowser.
So long, Bowser. So long, Bowser. So long, Bowser.
That's not even a cool video. Plankton Roast Family original video.
Oh, come on, kid. You asked me that already. Now quit wasting my time.
Hey, you can't talk to my son that way. Who do you think you are?
I'm Plankton, you old hag, and your son smells like boogers. Hey, you can't talk to my wife that way. What do you think this is? I think it's time for you to lose some weight, fatty. That's what it is.
Hey, you can't talk to my grandson like that. Someone ought to put you in a mental hospital.
Someone should put you in a box floating down the river, Grandma.
I'm the one who comes to you and gives you spare time. My Coco life got cocaine. The end. What happened? Okay. Be right back. Okay. Alright. It was just a dream, guys. Oh, HUD Yardigans. But I'm not gonna be watching that, guys. You know what I want to watch? I want to actually watch something that is not so stupid, guys. But I actually don't know what to watch. Oh, this is 5 minutes and 40 seconds. This is me gonna climb, get away the little pest remix. What the happened? Okay, I don't even know this.
A wasp.
Nope. Next we got is Go Watch. Here. 2 videos like the other one. Here. Again. Quick updates. Thank you.